Hey, Sora, over here. I saved you a seat near the window.
Oh, nice. Thank you, Alex. The sunlight is perfect today. Not too bright, not too dark.
Just like our English, simple and comfortable.
That's a good way to say it. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Ready Talk.
Yes, Ready Talk is a friendly channel where you can practice English through easy, natural conversations.
We speak slowly, clearly, and use simple words to help English beginners listen, understand, and practice.
I'm Alex, a university student who drinks too much coffee.
And I'm Sora, another university student who tries to survive classes and life.
Today's topic is something very common and very important.
Yes, talking about your job.
Many people ask this question, what do you do? So today, we'll practice how to talk about jobs in simple English.
Great. Let's start. So, Alex, let me ask you a very common question. What do you do?
Right now, I'm a university student, but I also have a part-time job.
Oh, really? What kind of job?
I work part-time at a small coffee shop near campus.
That sounds nice. Are you a barista?
Yes, I make coffee, clean tables, and sometimes talk to customers.
Sometimes?
Okay, a lot of the time.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It's busy, but it's fun. And I get free coffee.
Free coffee is the best salary.
Exactly. That's the main reason I work there. What about you, Sora? Do you have a job?
Yes, I do. I work part-time as a teaching assistant.
Wow, that sounds serious.
It sounds serious, but it's not too scary. I help the professor check homework and answer students' questions.
Do students ask a lot of questions?
Yes, especially before exams.
I'm one of those students.
I know. You ask questions 5 minutes before the deadline.
That's when my brain wakes up. Why did you decide to get a part-time job?
Well, I wanted some extra money, and I also wanted work experience.
That makes sense.
How about you?
Same reasons. I want to pay for food, books, and sometimes video games.
Ah, yes. Very important life needs.
Exactly. Education and games. Balance.
What is a normal workday like for you?
I usually start work at 4 p.m. First, I put on my apron and wash my hands.
That's good. Clean hands are important.
Then, I prepare the coffee machine and check supplies. After that, customers come in and I take their orders.
Do you remember all the coffee names?
Most of them, but some orders are crazy.
Like what?
I want a soy, oat, almond, sugar-free, extra hot, half-calf latte.
Wow, that's not coffee. That's a math problem.
Exactly. What about your workday?
I usually work in the afternoon. I check emails first.
That sounds boring.
It is, but then I help students during office hours.
Do you enjoy that part?
Yes, I like helping people understand things.
That's nice. You're patient.
I try to be, but sometimes students ask the same question 5 times.
And you smile every time?
On the outside, yes.
On the inside?
Screaming.
What skills do you think your job needs?
Patience, communication skills, and time management.
Those are good skills.
What about your job?
I need good memory, speed, and a friendly smile.
The smile is very important.
Yes, even when I'm tired, I have to smile.
Customer service is hard.
It is, but it helps me practice talking to people.
Do you have any funny stories from work?
Oh, yes. One time, a customer asked me, "Is this coffee hot?"
It's coffee.
Exactly. I said, "Yes, very hot." Then he touched the cup and said, "Oh, it is hot."
What did you say?
I just smiled and said, "Please be careful."
You're very polite.
Inside, I was confused. What about you? Any funny moments?
One student once said, "Thank you, professor."
But you're not a professor.
Exactly. I said, "I'm not a professor." And he said, "Oh, sorry. You look very smart."
That's a compliment.
Yes, but I felt very old.
Welcome to adulthood.
Does your job ever stress you out?
Sometimes, When it's very busy and everyone wants coffee at the same time?
I understand. My job is stressful during exam season.
Too many emails?
Too many emails.
Emails are scary.
Yes, especially when the subject is urgent.
That word gives me fear. Is it hard to balance work and studying?
Sometimes, yes. I have to plan my time carefully.
Same. If I work late, I feel tired the next day.
Do you ever study at work?
Only during very quiet times, but then a customer comes and my brain disappears.
I usually study at home after work.
You're more responsible than me.
Do you want to do this job forever?
No, not forever. It's good for now, but I have other dreams.
What kind of job do you want in the future?
I want to work in marketing or media.
That sounds interesting.
What about you?
I want to become a full-time teacher.
That fits you very well.
Thank you. I like helping people learn.
Talking about your job is very useful in English.
Yes, simple sentences are enough.
For example, I'm a student. I work part-time. I work at a coffee shop.
Or, I help students. I work in an office. I like my job.
You don't need difficult words.
Just speak clearly and simply.
Overall, how do you feel about your job?
I feel thankful. It helps me grow and learn.
I feel the same. Even when it's tiring, I learn a lot.
And we earn some money.
Very important.
Well, that's the end of today's conversation about jobs.
We hope this dialogue helped you learn how to talk about your job in simple English.
If you're learning English, try practicing these sentences out loud.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please support Ready Talk.
Like, share, subscribe, and follow our channel.
Your support helps us make more easy and friendly English conversations.
I'm Sora.
I'm Alex, and this is Ready Talk. Thanks for listening. See you next time.